Today's What Up Wednesday video is a true What Up Wednesday video. It's kind of a mishmash of everything, but we want to thank our sponsor of today's video. That is Super Clean. They do a heck of a job with all their products. They have an all-wheel cleaner. They have a multitask. It can do tough grease de-cleaner, de-greaser. And then, of course, they've got this, which dissolves grease super easy, super fast. I found a new use for this. And it blew my mind that it worked. Watch this.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
So we got some more of this really incredible Super Clean product. And this stuff is amazing. It cleans your wheels on your vehicle, your truck, your car, your RV. It cleans the tires, just all kinds of uses for it. Engines, tools, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning uses. And I just found out another use for this. You're not going to believe what this thing does. If you've got stickers on your RV or maybe on your windows and you want to get rid of that residue after you pull the sticker off, watch this. I'm going to spray it onto a rag instead of just spraying it onto the surface, just a little bit. We've pulled off some of the stickers. See all the residue that's here?
Whoa.
Now, you also want to have a nice wet rag. Notice a little yellow tinge to it. Just water, cold water, takes that right off. And that's what they say to do in the directions. You should have a rinse as soon as you put this on. Look at that. Look at that.
And we have tried
That's amazing.
a bunch of different cleaning ways. And
Yes, we have.
couldn't get that off.
We couldn't get these, the sticker residue. I don't know what to call it. It's just, you see the shadow right
We
there?
even tried Goo Gone and you
See?
scrubbed and
Look at
scrubbed
that.
and it didn't come off.
And now I just discovered another use for Super Clean. I gotta go to work. All right, so Super Clean did what I wanted it to do. Still a little rough here and there. There's a few little spots that I need to put some elbow grease on with the Super Clean, but holy moly. Let's back up and look at that slide out wall. Most of the shadows are gone. Now it just needs some real polish, RV polish and elbow grease. Lori,
Yeah.
it's your turn. What is it you're making?
Hello. Well, I'm making like Rice Krispie treats, but with Cocoa Pebbles for Wendy's birthday today.
With what? Cocoa?
Cocoa Pebbles. See? Cocoa Pebbles.
Oh. Cocoa Pebbles Rice Krispie treats.
Yep.
For
It's
Wendy.
an experiment.
Oh, it's an experiment.
It's an experiment. Not with Cocoa Pebbles, no.
Ah.
So we'll see.
Okay.
I made something else too. It's in the refrigerator. Oh, so I finished the Cocoa Krispies treats, aka Rice Krispie treats, but with Cocoa Krispies. So I just put them in a
I think that
in a
looks
pie.
good. Maybe.
Well, the scrapings off the pan sure tasted good.
Oh, darn
then-
it. I missed that. I could have. So what is this?
Same thing with this. The scrapings off the pan were good. This is a maple fudge with pecans.
Oh.
So you go, ooh, but you don't care for maple. Well, you like maple syrup.
Whatever.
That's all, folks.